Hi friends, today we are going to make Green Sandwich Mint Chutney.
Try this chutney with your sandwich. You will really enjoy the taste combo. For preparation, we just need 10 minutes only. Take a blender, add 1 cup of coriander leaves, add half cup of mint leaves, 2 tablespoon peanuts, 3 garlic, 1 inch ginger, 3 green chillies, 2 tablespoon lemon. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon Chaat Masala, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of water. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Blend it into a smooth paste. You can add additional water as per your requirement. Our green sandwich mint chutney is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.